So hey guys, I am Jaydeep here. Today we will be talking about again one of very interesting binomial identity. So it is an identity for which intuitional proof I derived by myself. So I hope you will enjoy this. So the identity goes like this: k into nck is equivalent to that of the n into n minus 1 ck minus 1. Now, if any of you is interested in finding proof by himself or the intuition, I will encourage you to stop the video and give it a thought. It's fine even if it's taking the time. It's more important that we should learn how to think. Okay, so if you have given it a thought, let me explain what was my approach for proving this. So what we can think of this is as, uh, see here, importance to number k is been very high. We can see that. Okay. So what I thought of is that k is equals to the number of members of king's council plus the king, right? So there is one king plus k minus 1 council members. Okay. Now, let me tell you how we can relate this to the identity. Okay, so suppose I am having the population of size n. Okay, and I want to choose the k people out of it such that one will be king and the rest of the k minus 1 will be the council members, right? So I hope we all are clear till this point. Now, how I can see this? So, one of the approach might be, let's pick the K peoples first, of which are important. Okay, so out of N, let's choose K, and now what I need to do, I need to elect one of them as a king, right? Because out of K, I am choosing one of them as a king. So how many choices will I have? I will be having total k choices, right? Because I have selected the k people. Now to make one king, I will be having the k choices. So the number of ways I can form the council is that, first of all, choose the k peoples which you think into the council, including the king. Now to select the king amongst them, we will be having one kc1 choices, or it's as good as nck into one of them will be king, and therefore we will be having the k choices. So nck into k. Okay, this was approach one. Now someone might say, let's try different approach. Okay, now see, what's our importance is that we need to select one person as a king. So let's break it the other way around. Out of n peoples, let me choose one as a king first and the rest of the k minus 1 as his council members. Okay, so in how many ways I can do that? In NC1 ways, I choose one of the person as a king, and in the rest of the n minus 1 people, I chose k minus 1 peoples to be his advisors or the council members, we can say. So what this is equivalent to? It's as good as n into n minus 1 c k minus 1. And as we saw, the approach 1 and approach 2 is selecting one king and the k minus 1 council members, right? So in total they are selecting k peoples, of which one is a king and rest k minus 1 are council member. So hence this identity 1 and 2 are equivalent to that of the each other. Okay, so let's review this and then we can end, right? So the identity is been given over here, right? As we can see, k into nck is equals to n into n minus 1 ck minus 1. So how we thought problem intuitionally is that, let's say there are, we want to choose k members such that k minus 1 will be the council members and 1 will be the king, right? So this was our breakup breakup for the k. Okay, so let's say in the population of our kingdom is of n peoples, right? Now we want to select the k people such that one of them will be king and the rest k minus 1 will be council members. So what one approach could be? Let's first select the nck people for choosing those k important people, and out of those k people, let's choose one of them as a king. So this got uh, mathematically can be written as like this, okay, after simplification. Or the second approach could be like I will always have to choose one of the person out of n people as a king, and rest k minus 1 I need to choose as a council members, okay. So what I can say, let's choose one people from the n people as a king. So what, how many people I will be left with? I will be left with n minus 1 people, and among those n minus 1 people, let's select the k minus 1 council people. So it would be equivalent to that of n into n minus 1 c k minus 1, right? So I hope this video had added some intuition and given you enjoy. So I hope you enjoyed this video, right? It would be very nice if you subscribe the channel, but please keep that bell notification off. Don't get distracted, right? So take care of your time and take care of yourself. May the force be with you.